G'day guys, it's Tommy here from Raw Blend. We often get asked what the best blender is to make acai bowls or smoothie bowls for a commercial kitchen. And today I want to introduce to you the Hallde VCB32. Hallde is a Swedish company. They manufacture high quality commercial kitchen equipment. And this is our new recommendation for making acai bowls. We don't recommend this for making smoothies. This will make acai bowls. You can also do dips and salsas. If you want to make smoothies, we recommend something like Vitamix, the quiet one. All right, this comes with a sound cover. This is the blender used by juice bars worldwide. Unfortunately, you can't make acai bowls in here. Okay, we get a lot of customers trying to do that. It's just not going to work very well. You're going to wear the components, the blade and the drive socket very quickly. Now, if you want to make single serve acai bowls and also looking to make smoothies, then the VitaPrep 3 is a great affordable option. However, it's not going to do bulk acai bowls like our Hallde VCB32. This will blend up to 4 acai bricks per blend, which is perfect for the busy cafe environment. Now, these acai bricks are rock hard. They're like a brick. They're not an ideal product for any blender, but the VCB32, not an issue at all. So first things first, I just want to remove my lid, take out my blade. Now you'll see I've got this 3-litre stainless steel bowl. So you just lock that into place there. Put my blade into place. You can see this here, it's like an S blade, really high quality, and I'll just lock that blade down into place. So I'm just gonna make a simple acai bowl recipe. I'm using 4 bricks of frozen acai by Amazonia. I'm also gonna use 1 cup of frozen mixed berries and 1 cup of frozen banana. So you wanna make sure the scraper blades are on the inside of the bowl there, and I just lock it in like that, all right? So that's a safety feature. So you basically can't cut your hand off. Now this is a Pateman scraper handle. This is going to scrape the outside of the bowl and just incorporate all the ingredients into the acai bowl so it's nice and smooth. So the Hallde has 2 speeds. Speed 1 is going to spin at 1450 RPM and speed 2 spinning at 2650 RPM. Just going to make a nice smooth consistency. I'm going to pour my coconut water through the top here, which is a great added feature. And just pour the ingredients in while the machine's running, and away we go. Okay, amazing. Look at that consistency. Beautiful texture, beautiful and smooth. Just take that blade out. Okay, you can scrape that off if you like. Look at that beautiful consistency. If you like it a bit more liquidy, you can run it a bit longer, add some more coconut liquid, that's entirely up to you. But that looks absolutely beautiful to me. Now all the parts are dishwasher safe, so I can put this straight in the dishwasher. It's really easy to clean, and it also comes with a 3-year commercial warranty. So if you're looking for the best blender to buy for your commercial cafe or kitchen, then definitely I recommend the Hallde VCB32. Now I'm going to start to garnish my acai bowl here. Happy blending!